All right, guys, next up we've got another baseball jersey. Actually, our last one from this series. We'll be busting into Series 2 coming up on this week. So this is our last box from Series 1. Ton of big names: Trout, Ohtani, Soto, Derek Jeter, DeGrom, and others. So let's see if we can pull one of those monsters. So here's your list of teams. Daniel W. with the Rangers. Danny's got the Orioles, Cubs, Rockies, Tigers, Astros, Marlins, and Giants. Jason with the Indians. Jeff H. with the Royals, Padres, and Mariners. Rich R. with the A's, Phillies, and Pirates. Richard V. with the White Sox and Reds. Rick M. with the Red Sox, the Angels, Dodgers, Yankees, and Blue Jays. Ryan's got the Braves, Brewers, and Rays. And then Steve with the Diamondbacks, the Twins, the Cardinals, and the Nationals. Uh-oh, I know this one. $47. I think this is going to be a Glavin. It is. Atlanta Braves. Played with the Mets for a hot minute. We don't want to remember that. JSA authenticated Ryan F. That one's coming to you. Nice hit there on the Tom Glavine. It's a good way to finish the baseball jersey from Series 1. So we'll bust into Series 2 coming up. Those eBay auctions are on eBay now. They'll end Saturday, and we actually will break it on Sunday night coming up this week. So go check those out, and we'll bust into Series 2 starting Sunday.